If you're looking for some really cool solar fence lights, you definitely have to check these out here. So first off, thank you to the company for sending this out to me to try out. So you get a 12 pack of these lights here. Really easy to install. Basically, just put into 2 screws. It comes with this little template, so you just drill the holes so you know exactly where to do it, and then put in the screws. It comes with all the hardware you need as well. And then just line it up. Just like that, and then it's attached to your fence. So I have them running along the entire fence here, and then there is a control, or there's a button down here to turn it on and off, and the LED lights are down there. Solar panels up here, so the sun is charging it up during the day, and then at night they will all come on. So when it's nighttime, I'll show you that later on when it's dark. Okay, so now it is nighttime, and you can see what the lights look like. They came on automatically. This is the light blue. You can change the colors right here. And then you can see I have them all along the fence there. Right now I have them on different colors, but you can set them all to the same color if you like. So there you go, super cool lights. Work really well and charge up at night by themselves.